this is the first flight with a passenger since coming back from Duxford, when unfortunately the seat failed. I did have it welded, and you said that on the ground you felt it was uncomfortable and leading you back. How do you feel now?
It's not so bad in the air,
yeah,
although it's still too far back for my preference. I think on a long flight, the seat's digging in the middle of my back.
Right. Yeah. It is a little bit annoying because it used to be both seats were very comfortable.
Yeah. You can see it's visibly angled further back, can't you?
Yeah.
I don't think it'll take much, but it does need to be a little more upright, I think.
As you saw from what Duncan was saying, we've got a slight problem in as much as that frame is now leaning, stand up a little bit, is leaning further back than it should be. So what I did is, off the pilot seat, I took a template, so I'm going to have to try and see whether or not I can get David to put a bend on that. Not sure what he'll recommend, whether he'll need to heat it or how to go about it, but I've taken all the material off in case he needs to heat it, and we'll see what he says later on today. Well, I've just picked the seat up from David. I don't know how this angle is going to compare to the previous one in terms of shot. Maybe I can try and superimpose them or do something, but if I use the template that I did from my seat, we asked him whether he could put off a bend in it to match that, which he's done really well. It's just a matter now of putting the seat back together. The first thing to do was to pull this sleeve over the frame, and we've now got to staple that into place against this cross member. Moved. There we are. So we've got to take this piece here and make it as tight as we can. Okay.
And then you work out from there. And if you need to do on this side now to keep it taut and level.
This, got to pull tight so it will go about there, yeah? This is a matter of putting this adhesive on the back here in order to put the foam on. Can you lift those bits there? I've got to sort of fold it so it goes round the side. At the moment we're just sticking to the back. Once we've got this side, once we've got this done, that just gets tucked through. Okay, and then if we turn the seat over and down, up and over and onto that. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I think that's probably best that we let that dry for a while.
And for some of the fume to evaporate.
Before we do anything else. Okay, so I don't know how easy this is going to be, but what we're doing is we're simply feeding this over the top and sliding it down over all of that. Get it right down. So yeah, we're going to have to turn it at an angle in order to get this pulled out. Ready? There. Now, what has to happen is this bit comes up and gets staple gunned over the top. So just as we did with the white bit, how does that look? Is there not enough? And then what happened was that was just stitch cord or whatever it's called. Yeah, that was this was hand stitched along there because it's the underside of the seat.
Yes.
So we turn over and see what it looks like. Yeah, that'll get tucked in, won't it? So the back cushion is now fixed. Thank you very much, Karen. And it's a matter of screwing on the main cushion, the seat cushion, and then attaching all the seat belts. So nearly there. So here we are. The seat is all done. Seat belts are in place, and it's just a matter of taking it over to Nayland and fitting it back in the aircraft. Because as I say, I've got to line those springs up, but I've also got to try not to nip these wires at the front. Okay, that's hot. Now that should lift away from you and up. Yeah. Just, I know it's a bit balmy, but having documented it,
we've got to get it, drop it in there, haven't we?
that feels better.
That's in.
So how does that feel?
Well, we've got full and free, which is always a bonus.
Yeah, but
Pedals come to play. The actual seat itself.
I mean, you're now in line. I mean, when it was leaning back.
Yeah, no, it's about the right angle.
Yeah.
It's about right, and you've got a little bit of extra here if you need it, and possibly a notch or two if you really need it. But everything falls to hand.
But I mean, it's a lot more comfortable than it was when it was leaning back.
Oh yeah, yes, much better.
Okay.
Oldwood, traffic Golf Alpha Yankee Echo Hotel and Golf Whiskey India Bravo Bravo inbound 6 miles to the east, 2,000 feet overhead for a join 21 left, Golf Echo Hotel. Golf Echo Hotel descending dead side, 21 left. Golf Echo Zulu, final 21 left. Golf Echo down 121, did you go? Golf Echo Hotel, crosswind, left hand 21, contact 1 ahead.
All board and radio, Golf India Bravo Bravo, overhead, descending dead side 421.
Golf X-ray, left base 21, digital.
Golf Echo Hotel, downwind left hand 21.
Golf Bravo Bravo, crosswind 21.
Golf Echo Hotel base 21.
Golf X-ray, departing into the southwest, changing the Farnborough on 132.8.
Golf Echo Hotel, final full stop 21.
Golf Uniform overhead, descending dead side, left hand 21.
Echo Hotel, clear of the active.
Golf Uniform, crosswind 21. Uniform, turning final.
Like your YouTube films.
Thank you very much.
Keep them coming in. I saw you at North Reps a few days ago.